Morning, guys. So we're gonna get started here. It's a great morning. It's overcast. It's kind of chilly. I'm a little nervous about them being turned off right now, but I don't think that's going to be the case because they've been on for a while. Tomorrow's going to be a warm day. Yesterday was a warm day. We'll probably have a lot more heat tomorrow going on, but I just wanted to kind of get in here and get this started. So let's see how it goes. Enjoy. Guys, there's a fish on. He just took the lure. Here we go. Fish is on and out of the water. Here we go. Here we go. Big old bass. Yeah, he's a big one too. Oh my, he's big. Get his big old heavy butt up here. Look how I got him. I got his big butt by the eye. Oh no, poor guy. Poor guy. I hooked him a little. Oh, he's got the mini in his mouth yet. He got a piercing. Oh, poor guy. At least he didn't get his eyeball. Well, here you go. Look at that chunk. Man, something happened to his back. Man, he's a chunk. Look at him. Here we go, guys. Nice fish. Check him out. Look at that thing. Look at his back. Big fish. Putting this whole spot right here. Nothing going yet. Nothing. Oh, he's moving. Fish down. Here we go, guys. Yo. He must have just got picked off because it's off the hook. Here we go. Let's see. Yep. I don't know what's going on with that. It went down for a moment. I don't think he got eaten. Okay. Okay. We're down. We're down. I'm going to let it set and got him. There he is. He's a little one, but he will be good. Oof. He's a little guy. That's all right. We'll take him. So let's see here. Here we go. Ouch! You got me. You got me back a little bit there, bud. Nice. All right. Let me get back here. So here you go, guys. Not a real big one, but he will do. As quick as possible. Ooh, ooh, he's a lively guy. That's good. That's what we want right before we put him back. There you go. All right. On to the next. Trying to give you guys a good picture of what's going on. My float's right there in the water. I don't know how well you can see it, but it's taking its natural drift down through. Right up in here. Usually it'll disappear here in a moment. Now I did just catch some fish out of here, so I'm a little nervous that, you know, once you catch a few, they start getting smart. They're getting wise. But we'll see here. Maybe towards the end up here, we'll get something to trigger. Maybe, maybe not. Alright, so I don't think so on that one. So we're going to bring this, I want to bring it and put it right up on the wall. And I'm going to let it take a natural float here up tight on the wall. Let that thing do its thing here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, got snagged up. It's the first in a while that I got snagged. No big deal. We'll go ahead and throw another one on here quick. All right. So we're taking another natural drift down through here. This time it didn't get hung up, and we're going to see if something in here wants to play or not anymore. So Not seeing much of anything here. Okay, so we're going to try one more tighter to the wall. I mean, I am literally touching the wall now. It's coming off the wall. Sometimes they tuck tight. I just want to make sure that's covered. Nothing going on yet, but it's getting a nice drift right up tight on that wall, which is what I want. Right in that little hole right there. Come on. Nothing going on. Okay. Oh, here we go. No? Okay. Nope. Now, next thing fish on. Fish on, guys. Here we go. Oh, come on, dog. Let's get us some off watch. Yep, that fish is gone. Oh, that sucks. There we go, big dog. Nice one. Right. Alright, guys. Another spot we're at. I'm sure something will happen here. It usually does. There we go. Fish down. Oh, right out of his mouth. Way to go, genius. Right out of his mouth. I really set that one too much. That's a nice part of having a softer rod. You don't have to go crazy on setting that hook. Or if you do, it's more forgiving. With that softer rod like that. Here we go. Let's see if she'll do it again. I doubt she will. Usually they don't. They don't smack it twice in a row like that all the time, but let's see. See what happens. Never know. Oh man, my nose. Guys, I'm sorry, I'm sniffling so much. She's in there bouncing around right now. I'll see if she goes down again. She went down already. I have a feeling they're loaded up in here. Where we're at right now is a creek entrance to the river. This time of year, that's what they're doing. Nothing took care. There we go. Fish down and fish on. Just a little one. Oh no. He fell off. It's okay though. So, where the little ones are, there's big ones too. Minnow didn't even get hurt. Minnow didn't even get eaten. Or damaged, I should say. Alright guys. So right here ahead of us is a really well-known spot. I want to see what we can make happen here. So hopefully we get this with some privacy here in the very beginning. We get something moving on here. Let's see. It's looking good. Looking real good. Okay guys, I got a fish on right now and it's running. Here we go. Got one on. Nice. Look at this. That's what's up. That is what's up. Here we go. Nice smallie. Check it out. See my. Show the one camera here real quick. Check this out. A nice one. There we go. Got my float there in the water. Just pulling around bit down there. Okay, fish on. Nice one. Okay, fish is on. Oh, he's a big one, dude. Big one. Big, 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 big. Oh. That makes me sick in my stomach. Alright, here we go. He's taking line right now. Got him. Got him. Swing him. Yes, sir. Nice one, too. Oh, he's real nice. He's a real nice one. Yes. Yes. He's a nice one. Oh, he's nice. I don't know how big he is. But he is pretty. Pretty fish. Here we go, guys. Bobber's going down. Nope. Right off. He's off. That quick. He came off. Sean. Got him. Got him. Coming up. Swing him up. Yo. There we go. Nice thing about this crap. There he is. Nice one. Okay. Ooh. Here we go. He's out. Okay, guys, got a lively little mini on right now, so. Now, mind you, the temperature today, here we go. Fish down. Do you see it go down? Here we go. Yep. Nice. Oh, that's a big one. This is a bigger one for sure. Yeah, we're gonna flip him. Get up in here. Oh, that's a big one, dude. That's a long fish. I'm gonna measure him. He's gonna get measured. That might hit. That might be at wow. That's a big one. Well, there's a little bit of battery left. Look at that. Boom. Boom. I don't know if that showed up good or not. Big, 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 big smallmouth. Big smallmouth. Doing fish on, baby. All right. That big old toad. Jeez, guys. Look at that. Not a bad day for a cold day. Oh, wow. Big fish. Beautiful fish, man. Big. Big, big, big. There they go. He's out. Wow, guys. Oh. Wow. Guys. Man. Another one yet. These fish are awesome. They're so fun to catch.
That's a nice one, man.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
What'd you get him on?
Minis.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The one I had was smaller than that earlier.
Yeah, I saw that.
It's slow up here, man.
Yeah. What'd you get yours on? Tube? You using a
The
tube?
first one was it's called a bug.
It's like they just stack up in there, man. A pretty green one. Real pretty green. Got a big one here. Got a really, really big one. Guys, I think this is a monster. This one's a monster. I gotta walk it over here. I gotta keep tension on him the whole time, because this one's real big. This might be my personal best. I'm so scared to lift them, but I gotta. I don't know. I can't tell. He's fat. Oh, he's fat. He is a fatty. I don't know about personal best, but my goodness, guys, check that out. Let's measure him. I forgot they have a measuring tape here. This is sweet. Okay. He is, oh, he's only about he's a 19. He's just over 19. Oh, wow. Nice fish here, guys. Nice big fish. Look at that. Little head on him. Whew. It's exciting. Look at that chunky belly. Look at that. That's a nice one. That was cool. I did not think it was possible, but here we go again. Oh, and it spit it out. Okay, back fish on. Oh man, these guys are good at slipping that hook. I gotta stop. I gotta just reel it. Just reel it. Just reel it. Just reel it. Yes. Alright, so here we go. Okay, I just saw the fish come up and it's big. So here we go. Here we go. Yeah, it's big. It's a nice big one. Here we go. Coming up, coming up. Let's hope she don't come off. It's not. Again, I keep thinking they're monsters because I see them strike it. They're big. They're very big. Nice fish. Again, though, I gotta be careful with saying it's my personal best because, man, nice fish. It's unreal. Here we go again. I'm telling you. Here we go, guys. Spit it again. I don't know. All right, guys. There he is. Guy. Got him. Happened again yet. There we go. Come on, calm it down. This guy's wild. This guy's real wild here. Hold on. He settles down. Come on, settle down. Settle down. Little guy. Not real big at all, but he's cool. Nice fish. Okay, fish on. Nice one. Real nice. Real nice big one. See if we can crank him up here. Crane him up. This is Ooh. Nice. And the 4%. Good fish. Good fish. Okay guys, so I am super excited right now. I got my bait ready to rock. I'm going out here to the point and we're going to start with this. It's a busy day out here today. It's a Friday. Yesterday was cold, breezy. Not many people were out. There's a few people out. Looks like I have another gentleman here that was here last night. Pretty nice guy. But yeah, so I'm excited. Conditions today are only going to go up because it's going to get warmer and warmer, and I'm hoping once the sun starts peeking out that things are going to start popping. So it is that time of year, my favorite time of year here in the Susquehanna. And the river's up, and it is up good, and I don't know if they released water or what, but so today should be a good day. So we're gonna go out here. I am gonna be a little quiet because I don't want to be like camera-y guy out, you know, so but I'm gonna catch. If I catch, maybe I won't, but if I catch, I'm gonna get it on video, and then I'll try to show you here on the full scale size on this camera. So have fun watching. I hope you guys enjoy. Get him, puppy. Get him. What's up, buddy? What's up? What's up? Is that fish? Hey, Bubba. How you doing? Here we go. There it goes. Oh, come on, dog. Here we go. Here we go. There it goes down. What's that? What is that? Huh? What's that, guys? What is that? Oh, ho, ho, ho. What is that? These dogs are awesome. What is that, guys? Watch out, watch out. Ah, sorry. Had one that came off flying. Ugh. keep taking it. They just keep taking it right off the hook. Here we go. Here we go. He's getting active again. Getting pretty active. Kicking around. There it goes. There it goes. Oh, come on, man. This hook. Fish on, guys. Nice fish. There we go, fish on. Fish staying on, that's good. Oh, fish off, and he's off. Nothing doing. Let's put him right here once. See if anything does. Nothing yet. Here we go. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on, baby. Oh, that was a big one, dude. On, fellas, because this is going to get really interesting. Here we go. Fish down. Bait down. Here we go. Here we go. He's swimming. He's swimming. Bait getting attacked, I'm pretty sure. Bait moving. You can see how quick he's moving. I can't see what's going on under there. Yeah, man, he's a big bait. I'm gonna let him kind of just swim around down there. Man, here he goes, he's down. Oh, he just ate my bait. So I'm not playing with this hook. There, it just went down. Here we go. Yep, big old smallie got him. Big old smallie got him. Big guy. Pretty fish too. He's not enormous, but he's big. He's big. He got hungry and he ate him up. I believe it's down. I believe she ate, so we're gonna see. And yes, we ate. She ate. A big one. This one's bigger. This one's... Whoa. Yeah, this one's nice. This one's a nice piggy. Big piggy here. Yeah. Stay on her. Yeah, it's nice. I'm gonna get my camera here quick. Fish on, I believe. Maybe not. Saw him go under. I hate when this happens. Maybe. Yep, big fish. All right, nice. I wouldn't say spotted fish though. Got lots of spots on it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He's got some of the things going on here. Shit came out. Oh. Well, we had a strike. Love to, they just kiss it and let go of it. Okay, they are turning on here. That's what's up. Just do its thing. All right. Fish on. I saw him come up. He already swiped it. Here he is. Yo, don't you come off there. That's a big bass. That, I think, is going to be my personal best. I think this is going to be the biggest bass I caught yet. Well, he's pretty big. He's pretty stupid big, dude. He's biggest. He's the biggest. Biggest bass I ever caught. Right there. Biggest bass I have ever caught. And I do not want to hurt him. Oh my goodness. I think he's the fattest I've ever caught. Thing's a monster. Oh my goodness, it's a monster. I seen him come up and hit it too. I seen him come up and hit it. Oh. Let me kind of give you an idea. Let me kind of give you an idea here once. Look at that. Man, he was a toad. Check him out. Look at that. Love it. Nice one. Pretty fish. Big. Susquehanna smallmouth. Pre-spawn. I'm going to measure him real quick. I'm so loud, guys. I'm going to measure him. He is 20. He is 20 inches on the dot. 20 inches. 20 inch smaller. Very nice. Gone again, guys. Another big one. There I go again. My tendency to say a big one, huh? It's not so big now that I caught that other one. He's big though, but he's not so big. Maybe. Yeah, I love when they get that top hook. Let me take this. Okay. Here we go. Got bright red eyes on her. Him, her. don't know if that'd be a male or female or not. But another nice one. It just went down. There it goes. Now it's down. It's going down. It's going down. It's going down. I'm going to just lock up. Let him swim off. There he goes. There goes weight on the rod. And I'm setting it. As soon as there was weight on the rod, I set it. It looks like it's out of his I have him belly hooked or what? Yeah, I got his mouth. I got his mouth. Yeah. I thought I had his belly for a second. I was like, what's going on with that? We got him, we got him, we got him. He's pretty. He's a pretty one. And he's a long one too. He's a long one too. I'm going to measure him. He might be close to 20. It might be 2 20s in a day. And he's different too because he's got a different look to him. She, I should say. She's pretty. Show you guys on the other camera here. And by the way, it's getting warmer, so I think the bite's gonna only get better. Here's another big one. Pretty fish. Gotta measure him real quick. Her, most likely. Dude. Right on the edge of 20. About 19 and a half. 19 and a half. Nice fish. Put this back in. Man, it's getting wet up here. Slippy. There she goes back in. There she goes. Fish is on. He's eating. We'll let the weight pull itself. Nice. Minis off. That seemed to be a pretty good hook set. I'm doing it like that. I think we're going to keep up with that. Ouch! Just cut me. Pretty hard too. Ouch. This line get you. He's off. Now he's making a mess of himself. Ooh, that got me good. This line can cut you. Pretty stupid hard too. Whew. Yeah, that line got me good. Yep, that's gonna be painful. Get down here and get this fish. I don't want it to be falling off, so you get all kinds of line wrapped up on him. What a mess. Here he is. Big hit. That's a big hit. Don't you come off of there. That's a bigger one. Now this one is bigger, guys. It's another bigger one. This one might be another 20, honestly. Maybe not. Boy, is it hard to tell. Look at, all right. Guys. Man, these cameras don't do justice for these fish. I bet an 18. It's about an 18 incher, not a 20. Man. Back. Starting to hurt now. Ooh. Yes, sir. I didn't get this one recorded. But we got him. Nonetheless, here we go. third. Love this river. I really love this river. This just happened. Little pig. Gonna measure him too. I don't think he's quite no 20, but she. Oh wow. She is. She's right at just under 19. Just under 19. Man, this one is big. This one is big. Yeah. He's pulling drag on a crankbait. Oh no, am I not going to get it out? Let's see if I can get him up here. Don't move, bud. Don't move. Don't move. Gotcha. Yeah. Sorry, bud. Ooh. Wow, that was exciting, dude. That was really exciting. Yep, they're getting active on crankbaits now. That's great. Great news. Big fish. Here we go. Here's what I got him on. Deep diving. 6 sets. Big boy.